Alright, cool. My controls.
Start the arm checklist. Hot mic good. Throttles are good. Gas is on.
Alright, Unit, takeoff checklist for you.
You are clear right about tail.
Right about the tail. No traffic in the mic curve. And it looks like the nav system is sweet and operable.
Alrighty. So you got dealer in the stack and fried gambler. I did not hear Red Devils check in. Arm on, so you get the same result, but without turning the master arm on.
Yeah, we just see the blue cyan triangle for
yes, sir.
Awesome. Clear.
Dealer 5-5.
Dealer 5-6, copy.
Over.
167.
I'm going to make a left-hand turn.
Right.
Coming left.
Figure it out.
Right.
Lead out 6, left, right to left.
Roger that.
Is that your 6 now?
Roger that. Coming around. Hard right.
Clear on right. Got him under 5. Atlas 17. Cleared hot.
As soon as he's out of the chute, he's coming off right. Give him a little bit of an offset.
Right, and
Looking good. 1.7.
open fire.
Off right.
Left gun. Short.
Short. There we go. That's it. That's it. 1.3.
Left gun, stand by. Open fire with the target. Right gun, get
Right
ready.
gun, stand by.
Right go stand by.
Traffic in there.
Right go stand by. Driving up.
Right gun, open fire.
Right gun, open fire.
There we go.
Driving up, driving up.
Right. Turn shallow right. Turn shallow right.
Yep.
Come across intermediate. We're taking fire. Request immediate.
Dealer 5-5. Good impact.
And 1-6 copies, we're pushing. Should be another truck.
Right gun, open fire.
Driving up a little more.
Actually, if you want to lead the attack, we'll be in behind you.
020. Right there, we're in suppressing. Right gun, keep going.
Dealer 5-6. Cleared hot.
Left gun, how much do you have left?
30.
Left gun, go
Simulated. Let's go, Kelly.
Left gun, open fire.
Yeah, 1-6 is visual. Just let me know when you're off.
Jump out of Winchester.
Alright, come around right. Here, can I have controls real quick? Yep. Here, controls.
Lead up, no tie.
Yeah, and 1-7, I'm not here.
Right gun, open fire.
Driving up.
53 knots, look at my airspeed.
Yep.
Visual.
And
Lead.
cease fire, right gun.
Roger.
Alright.
Dealer 5-5 sees appears to be a ravine running from south to north. Appears to be a
1-6 coming back around for another guy.
Gunpowder.
plus quantity 676.
Dealer 5-5. Approved.
Master arms. Alright. Please, torque. All.
Visual turn on close.
Here's
Request gunfighter 1-4 copies all.
Point seven.
Update to situation update. Over. We prosecuted multiple BMPs, BTRs, earlier in the day. And then we've also prosecuted a convoy of BTRs with dealer 5-5.
You want that, brother?
Block 10 to 12 located just to the west of the airfield. We've got no other threats to the aircraft. Is low. Party is still going to be a verbal Guardian.
Delta 4 copies all.
Right guys, Winchester.
Okay. Alright.
Gunfighter dealer 5-5 established.
1-6 to 8 o'clock high.
We got 45 seconds.
Dealer 5-5, gunfighter 1-4.
8:30.
Come around left-ish side of us.
Tower Atlas 12's beam for runway 21 off of Charlie.
Atlas 12 runway 21, one com clear to land next to Charlie.
Atlas 12 clear to land, welcome. Alright, you guys all set in the back?
Confirm. Clear down right.
Coming down to right.
And busy 5, 3, 2, 1. Ready your spot straight down 3 feet. There's 2. And 1 inches.